Bonfire Night is a UK holiday celebrated on November the 5th. It commemorates the failure of the Gunpowder Plot, an attempt to assassinate King James I and the Houses of Parliament. The plot was hatched by a group of Catholic conspirators led by Guy Fawkes, the inventor of the anonymous face mask. They planned to blow up the Houses of Parliament, but then they were found out and Guy Fawkes was caught, tortured and then executed. Today, Bonfire Night is still a popular holiday in the UK. People celebrate the King's safety with fireworks, toffee apples and a big bonfire where people stand around cheering whilst watching a man burn. Welcome to the UK!